What is AP automation? And how can it help alleviate common challenges in the finance department, saving you from money lost and time wasted? Introducing Spectro, your digital worker. So, how does it work? Your digital worker will stand at the gateway and intercept incoming documents of any format. If any discrepancies are found, it will be sent to the relevant team member for verification. Your digital worker will then push the document through your preferred ERP platform. And when it comes to ERP platforms, we offer an unrivaled integration. We understand that every business is different. That's why our digital workers are fully configurable to suit your needs, which means we can process up to 90% of your documents automatically. And a digital worker will never call in sick and never go on holiday. The only thing they can't do is after-work drinks. Spectrum Digital. Welcome to the automation generation.